rolling rice ball. A very long time ago, there was an old man who worked in the mountains. It's lunchtime. Time to eat my rice ball. But it slipped out of his hand and rolled away. He frantically chased the rice ball, but it fell into a hole on the ground. Then he heard a song coming from the hole. A rice ball came rolling, bouncing and rolling. The old man enjoyed the song, so he threw another rice ball in the hole. Sure enough, he heard the song again. A rice ball came rolling, bouncing and rolling. One more came rolling. The old man was having a lot of fun. He began dancing to the song, but he accidentally lost his balance. The old man slipped and fell right into the hole on the ground. What he saw at the bottom of the hole was a big surprise. A bunch of mice was having a festival. Thank you for the delicious rice ball. Let us show you our gratitude, kind sir. The old man joined the mice in the festival, singing and dancing and having a good time. This is a small gift to you. Please take this, kind sir. The mice gave the old man a mallet, and he said goodbye to them. Look at this. Look. Some mice gave me this mallet. He waved the lovely mallet arms. The two of them danced together joyfully, and gold coins and rice came pouring out of the mallet. The two of them smiled and were very happy. Let's share it with everybody. A greedy old man saw them and decided that he had to have a mallet of his own. He took a huge rice ball, thrust it into the hole. Then he jumped into the hole too. Hey, you mice! I threw you a rice ball, so give me a mallet too. The mice didn't know what to do, so they hurriedly tried to show the greedy old man some hospitality. I don't want your hospitality. I just want a bullet. Make it quick, or I will call for cats. Here, kitty, kitty, here, kitty, kitty. The mice got very angry and pounced on the greedy old man. Oh, that hurts. Stop it. Okay, mice, I'm sorry. Bitten by the mice, the greedy old man jumped out of the hole and ran home crying. A rice ball came rolling, bouncing, and rolling to the end of the story. The end.